Hala! Paula Sugart versus Ann JKN. Eto na talaga yung tunay na bardagulan kasi meron na talagang legit na kaso. Jakla Jutatip not only defames me, but she also discredits the women who have won the Miss Universe crown by implying their titles were bought and not earned by merit. I cannot abide by such dangerous and reckless assertions which degrade the Miss Universe brand and its title holders. Nabulagtang ang pageantry community nang naglabas ng statement si Paula Sugart sa kanyang Instagram account. At ito yung response niya sa mga statements ni Ann JKN. Pero, chinek ko muna kung talagang legit nga ba na naglabas siya ng statement. So, hinanap ko yung real Paula Sugart account doon sa IG and talaga nangang naglabas siya ng statement and legit talaga. Etong lumalabas sa mga